After watching this video, you will be able to generate an entire blog post complete with optimized and engaging content, relevant images, and SEO-friendly keywords, all without you having to write anything yourself. But that's not all. I'll also reveal the secrets to finding the perfect low competition keywords and how to steal the top keywords from your competitors' blog posts to boost the SEO of your own blog. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a proven step-by-step system to create high-quality blog posts that can rank in the search results. So I'm going to try and create a complete blog post from scratch in under 10 minutes. So let's start the timer. I'm Brian from Website Learners, and let's get started. We are going to create a blog in just 3 parts. The first part is to choose a topic for your blog. Choosing the right topic for your blog is crucial because if you chose a random topic, you might not rank well on Google. So it is important to write about things that you're interested in that people are also searching for. So to choose the right topic for your blog, we are going to do 2 simple steps. The first step is to find the keywords based on your niche. But what exactly is a niche? So let's say the main topic of your blog is fitness. There are many things that you can write about fitness. First, we need to find out which keywords people are searching for around the topic fitness. So once we find those keywords, we can start creating the content for those exact search terms. So to find these keywords, let's go to Google and search for phrases like top 10 best essential tips and so on. I'm going to enter top 10 and here enter any term related to your niche. Since my blog is about fitness, I'm going to type morning exercises and below you'll see the exact same keywords that people are searching for around this particular topic. So this gives us a clear idea about what we should write. Let's copy them and save them in a spreadsheet like this so it's easier to compare them later. Now to copy the keywords from here, we need to install an extension in Chrome. So just click the link in the description and it will take you to this instant keyword extractor. Click add to Chrome and then click add extension. Once it's added, you can pin the extension so it's easy to access. Now that we've added the extension, let's go back to this tab. Now copy these keywords, just click here and as you can see, all the keywords have been added here. Just click copy all. Next, open a new tab and type sheet.new and it will open a new Google Sheet. Just paste the keyword here. Now let's find a few more keywords. Go back to Google, press enter, now click here and you will find a set of keywords similar to the search term. And like we did before, let's quickly copy these. And paste them into the Google Sheet like this. Now that we found the list of keywords based on our niche, let's go to the next step, which is to find the keywords which are easy to rank for. So now we are going to identify the keywords which have low competition so that we have a better chance of ranking on Google. To find the low competition keywords, just click the link in the description and it will take you to this tool. This tool provides a keyword difficulty score for each keyword, showing how hard it is to rank for the top 10 search results. So let's take our difficulty score for these keywords one by one. Let's copy the keyword we saved in the Google Sheet and paste it here. Select the location. I'm going to leave it in United States and click check keyword. As you can see, it has a difficulty score of 9, which means this keyword is easy to rank for. Now enter the score on the sheet so you can easily compare them later. So in the same way, let's find the difficulty score for all of these keywords. Okay, once you found the difficulty score for all of these keywords, you can go through them and choose the keyword with the lowest difficulty score that also matches with what you're interested in. As you can see, this keyword, 5 benefits of morning exercise, has a difficulty score of just 9, which means it's relatively easy to rank for. So I'm going to select this one. Okay, once you found the topic for your blog, next, let's go to the second part of this video, which is to create the blog. To do this, we're going to use an AI tool that can generate a blog complete with the outline, content, and relevant images. So let's check it out. Just click the link in the description and it will take you to this page. Here enter the keyword you selected as the title, choose the language and click create outline. Now it will generate an outline like this for your blog. You can review this outline and remove any headings that are not relevant by deselecting them. And if you want, you can also add your own heading by clicking here. Once you're done, click continue And you can see that your blog is structured perfectly and we can start generating the content for each heading. Now to create your blog, you can either generate the content for each section or you can create an entire blog at once by clicking Generate All. And as you can see, it has generated the entire content for the blog along with relevant images. It even added table and bullet lists, which makes it engaging to read. If you want to make any changes to the content, you can do it right here. To change an image, simply click here and regenerate it instantly. Once you're happy with the content, click Preview to see how your entire blog, complete with images, will look like. Okay, so now we have successfully created the blog. And now that you've created the blog post using GravityWrite, it's time to add it to your WordPress website. If you don't have a website yet or looking for an easy and affordable hosting solution, you can check out Webspace Kit. If you click the link in the description below, you get a 10% off and get your blog up and running in no time. Okay, now that we have our blog ready, let's add the blog to our website. So next, let's see how we can add this to our WordPress website. To add a blog post to our website, just click Copy. Just head over to your WordPress dashboard. Now go to Posts and click on Add New Post. Here simply paste the content you copied earlier. And as you can see, the entire blog has been added. Once you're done, click Publish. Now here click Upload All to add all the images to your blog. Then click on Publish again. And the blog will be added to your website. Now if you click View Post, you can see how the blog will look on your website. Okay, so now that you've seen how to create a blog and add it to your website, how do we make it stand out and rank on Google? So let's go to the third part of the video, which is to make our blog SEO friendly. Optimizing your blog helps you rank higher on the Google search results and help you reach a larger audience. So to improve your blog's SEO, let's go back to GravityWrite. Just like we did before, enter the title here. So let's go back to Google Sheets. Now copy the keyword with the second lowest difficulty score and paste it here. Then click Create Outline. As you can see, we've got an outline with subheadings. Now here you can select the number of words you want for each section, and here to improve your SEO, you can enter the keywords that you want to have in your blog. This will help your blog show up higher in the search results, making it easier for people to find your blog. Okay, now you can enter these keywords on your own. But to improve your chances even more, you can use top ranking keywords from competitors' blogs. So to do that, just select this keyword, right click on it and search for it on Google. And here you'll find the top ranking blogs for this keyword. Since this is the highest ranking blog, we'll get the keywords from this one. So to get the keywords used in this blog, we're going to use a keyword extracting tool. Just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this tool. Now we need to paste the URL of the blog here. So let's go back to this tab, copy this blog URL and then paste it here. And click Extract Keywords. As you can see, it has extracted all the keywords used in the blog. Just copy them, go back to GravityWrite and paste them into the SEO keyword section. Once you're done, click Continue to generate the blog content. And once we get the content for our blog, let's check if it includes the keywords that we added. To do that, and search for it in the blog content. As you can see, the keywords are present in the blog. So just like we did before, we can copy it and add it to our website. GravityWrite allows you to create one complete blog post for free. If you want to create more blogs, you can check out their pricing plan by clicking the link in the description below. Now, if you're just starting out and looking to create blogs without spending any money, you can use ChatGPT to start creating blogs for free. So next, let's see how you can create a blog using ChatGPT. We're going to do this using prompts to generate all the content for our blog with ChatGPT. So to make it easier for you, I've put together a document with all the prompts that you need. So just click the link in the description below and you'll get the document. Now to generate the blog, start by doing keyword research just like we did in the first part of this video, and then find the title for your blog. Now once you've done that, First, let's generate the outline. So just copy the first prompt from the document and paste it into ChatGPT. It'll ask you for the blog title, so just enter that here. And as you can see, it has given us the outline. Next, we'll provide the keywords and ask ChatGPT to include them in the content for each section. To do that, just copy this prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and then paste the keywords you extracted from the competitor's blog. Now we can start generating the content. So let's begin with the intro. Copy the prompt for the intro and paste it into ChatGPT. As you can see, it has generated the intro. And save it on a document. In the same way, you can generate the entire content for your blog using these prompts. So this is how you can create a blog for free using ChatGPT. Just keep in mind that ChatGPT won't give you any images and you'll have to add all the images you want on your own to make your blog look good. So that's it guys. Now you know how you can create a complete blog post using AI. But before we wrap up, I want to give a quick shout out for two amazing tools that will help you supercharge your blogging game. First is GravityWrite, the AI writing assistant that made creating this blog post a breeze. And second is Webspace Kit, a hassle-free WordPress hosting platform that lets you launch a site in just minutes. If you're serious about taking your blog to the next level, definitely check them out. The links are in the description below. If you guys like this video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Website Learners for more cool videos like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.